right, deck 14, 14148, Panoramic Ocean View on Icon of the Seas. It must be a connecting room because see these two doors? They actually close and you can connect with the other cabin. Instead of going through the past door, they can connect this way. So the balcony, instead of a balcony, you have a window. Same bathroom, same safe location. Yeah, I couldn't figure it out until someone told me. Same closet. The room basically is the same as the Central Park View Infinite, except on the Infinite, it's got the indoor-outdoor carpeting, and this has regular carpeting, and a window. So in essence, this is kind of what I have as a Central Park Infinite balcony. Because I don't ever open my window. So that is your Panoramic Ocean View on Icon of the Seas.
This is a Panoramic Ocean View.
So it's very similar to the Infinite balcony.
So there's only 12 of these on board.